Oh yeah, we back, man. Another Road Rage episode, man. And today we're gonna go ahead and pick the winner for the 1K subscription giveaway, man. I told you guys we're giving away some cash, so we're gonna go ahead and do so. I did tell you guys it was gonna be July 1st. Man, I totally got it, man. Just bombarded yesterday. I didn't get a chance to record. And also, man, sorry if y'all can hear that, man, because it's South Florida, man. It's hot as hell. So I hope it ain't disturbing too much, man. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'm using a random YouTube comment generator online, so nobody can't say it's rigged. Let me just show you guys how that looks like, man. It's sitting right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the real camera. And it just looks like it's pre-recorded just because I'm getting ready to record the screen. It's not actually pre-recorded. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the record button now. Three, two, one. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page so nobody don't think it's rigged, man. Go ahead and refresh the page. Here we go. Got a all right, mute that. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and copy this link. This is the link to the video. This is where you were supposed to comment your Cash App. So that was like one of the first things to comment with the Cash App. So if you didn't put your Cash App, man, I'm sorry. But you know, you kind of disqualified, man. I hate to say it, man. So go ahead and paste it. I did test run earlier, so we're gonna go ahead and run that. 15 comments, really 22 if you go to the page, and I did check. The other ones are my responses to people, so it doesn't count that. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner. All right, we got Ash Mara. Okay, I know exactly who that is. Let's see where the Cash App at, man, so we can go ahead and send some money. Don't forget to comment your Cash App. Man, and she did not comment the Cash App. Oh, she's gonna hate me for this, man. I know her. So we're gonna go ahead and try to generate it again. See if we can get somebody with a Cash App. Let's see how we're gonna do this. How did we do this? Let's see if I can just refresh the page. Ash, don't kill me, man. If you're watching this, don't kill me. Same count. Well, definitely can't pick this guy. Just because we're making this fair, guys. We're making this fair. That's actually me. I'll be watching my own videos, so just to make it fair, we're gonna go ahead and do this the third time, man. The third time is the charm. Sheesh. I didn't think it would have to be done this many times, but let's get it. Ash again, man. If only she would have put that Cash App in, man. She would have been good. She would have been good. All right, guys. Maybe the fourth time's the charm. We got to pick somebody, man. We got to pick somebody. All right, and now we're going to pick the winner. Amos. Let's see. Okay, we at the comments. We at the comments. Man, same thing, man. Told him don't forget to put the Cash App. He still didn't put the Cash App. I didn't think it would be this hard, guys. I really did not. Let me make sure they didn't put it anywhere else. All right, we're going for a fifth time, man. We're going for a fifth. Let's refresh the page again. Jeez. We're gonna load the comments. Pick a winner. Mo Dollars. Let's see who this is. Mo Dollars. Let's go. Man, listen, this is what happens when people don't follow the instructions. I'm telling you, I specifically said you have to comment the Cash App, and it is for this reason, because I can't go chasing down somebody I don't know. Although I do know Ash, and she was picked even twice, but she didn't leave the Cash App, so I got to keep it fair. So I definitely can't pick her as a winner, man. She's definitely gonna hate me for this. So let's go for a 6 go, man. Mo Dollars did not comment their Cash App, man. Okay, let's see. Mo Dollars. We got him 2 times here. Still no Cash App. Jeez. Gonna reload this thing. Paste the URL. Pick the winner. All right, Thomas. Let's see where you're at, Thomas. Yo, this can't be for real, man. This can't be for real. This can't be for real. Nobody followed the instructions, man. This can't be for real. What? This can't be for real, man. Man, we're gonna have to do it again. Let's refresh the page. And here I thought this was gonna be a quick video, man, a quick 1, 2, 3 video, man, and it just ain't. It just ain't going. It just ain't going. It just ain't going. All right, where we going? Now we got 16 comments. I'm assuming somebody just added to the video. You know what? They made the cuts. It is what it is. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Amos. That 150 gonna be mine. I think he already came up and he did not comment his Cash App, man. He did not comment his Cash App. Nowhere on here. I know I'm not tripping, man. I'm just go ahead and let's go ahead and refresh this page again, because I know I'm not tripping. I can't be, man. I can't be. We're gonna pause that. We just need to copy the URL. Come over here. You're gonna refresh this. Man, you know what? I was better off going in and copying all the Cash Apps, put them in a random generator and do it that way instead of the comments, man. I think that's what I'm gonna do for the next time, man. This is only the first giveaway. Okay, we got Emmanuel Josephat. Yeah! All right, and the Cash App is already there, so I know it's there. I'm not gonna go ahead and look for it, you know. It's already there. So this is what we're gonna do, man. We're just gonna go ahead and just get right back. We're gonna get right back to the Cash App. Opening up the Cash App, man. So let me get this thing going. We did not hit 1,500. So he would not be getting the $200. He'll be getting the 150. As we said, if we had 1,500, we was gonna add 50 to it, and if it hit 2,000, we was gonna add another 50, making it 250. So he's only won the $150, man. We're about to pay that right now. So as always, guys, I do truly appreciate. I truly do appreciate everything you guys do for the channel by watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, man. I'm probably hot as hell right now, man. So that's it. Just stay tuned for future builds, man. If you guys want, I could give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come. Check that out, man. We got a 72 Cutlass off the frame that we doing over there. We got the Rags to Riches build that you guys don't even know about, but now y'all know down. The Rags to Riches And we still got this one here that I'm using to show you guys how to do cam swap and spring swaps. We've already kind of just started the springs. Got a whole video coming up on that, man. So you guys just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. 5K, maybe we go ahead and give away that motor, man. At 5K, we'll definitely give away a motor. Not sure what size it's going to be yet. Maybe it'll be the RaodRageBuilds build, you know what I'm saying? So, as always, appreciate it. Thanks, and peace out.